Imagine a piece of office gear so heavy it feels like it has its own gravitational pull, yet it handles your most important documents with absolute surgical precision. The Lexmark C920 or 3-hole finisher is exactly that kind of industrial beast, designed to turn a standard printing job into a professional, shelf-ready masterpiece without you ever having to lift a finger. Weighing in at a massive 87 pounds, this is not some flimsy plastic add-on you just snap into place. It is a serious, heavy-duty component that demands respect the moment it arrives. When looking at the sheer scale of this unit, it becomes clear that Lexmark was not playing around. It is built like a tank, and that weight translates directly into stability and long-term reliability. There is something incredibly satisfying about watching a high-volume monochrome print fly through the system and emerge perfectly punched and organized. Whether you need a 2-hole or 3-hole configuration, this finisher handles the transition seamlessly. It takes the manual labor out of document preparation, which is a total lifesaver for anyone dealing with massive reports or legal filings. The control scheme is refreshingly simple, utilizing a push-button interface that feels tactile and responsive. In an era where everything is hidden behind confusing touchscreens, having a dedicated physical controller for these functions is a breath of fresh air. It just works. You can feel the power of the internal mechanisms every time it cycles, and while it is a specialized piece of hardware, its impact on office productivity is massive. It turns the Lexmark C920 into a true production powerhouse. It might be a heavy lift to get it installed, but once it is part of the workflow, you will wonder how you ever managed without it. It is the ultimate upgrade for anyone who values efficiency over everything else. The verdict is simple. If you want to stop wasting hours at a manual hole puncher and start producing professional-grade documents instantly, this finisher is an absolute essential for your setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.